CPIM conducted a rally at Agartala Road on Friday to condemn the Panchayat election of West Bengal where 50 people were killed. During the protest rally, member of CPIM Politburo Manik Sarkar, ex-MP Shankar Prasad Datta, state CPIM member Pavitra Kaur and others were also present. The protest rally of that day was started from CPIM party office and a program of condemnation was held at Paradise Chomni. Member of CPIM Politburo Manik Sarkar, ex-MP Shankar Prasad Datta, state CPIM member Pavitra Kaur and others have delivered speech at the program.
পশ্চিমবঙ্গে প্রহসনাত্মক পঞ্চায়েত নির্বাচন ভোট লুট খুন সন্ত্রাসকে জানাই ধিক্কার। পশ্চিমবঙ্গে প্রহসনাত্মক পঞ্চায়েত নির্বাচনের
violence, looting of voters, ballot papers, and arsoning of houses, etc. And women are seriously affected. There is no rule of law in the Bengal. For that, practically, we from Tripura people decided to solidarity with the toiling people of the Bengal who are fighting bravely against this Trinamool rule. For this, we organize here in our state capital a rally, and after the rally, Paradise Chomni, there will be a meeting.
Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini Khorang.